So we don't do much in-house manufacturing, but we do a little bit, and we use a clicking press at a bandsaw, which used to live over the other side and didn't have as much space and a lot of stuff on the floor, etc. So we made some improvements. So the bandsaw itself, loop cut rubber, it creates a lot of extra dust, etc. So one of the points of that is we made a swingable door. That means it keeps it enclosed into this area, so all the dust doesn't blow onto our products on the shelf. With this as well, just things at the back, we put a little hook things for putting the hose onto, so it's off the floor, the vacuum pipe up here, and also a walkaway standard, so we always expect it to look clean, tidy, and label marked as it is.
And that would probably be the installation of Kanban dock, and that we used to do it on Excel, and now we do it on Kanban docs, which is super easy to update. You can change the layout and update Kodo. It saves a lot of time and effort.
Tom and Kanban Docs team, I wanted to take a second again and thank you for the options of different sizes of Kanban cards. And I wanted to show you how we're putting it to use. So first we print the card on paper called indestructible paper. We then cut it around the corners and apply magnet tape to the back, and the Kanban card's good to go. Here at Tennessee Cheesecake, we love really big visuals, and we even have these safety nets to make sure everyone knows they are pulling safety stock. This is the method we were using to apply our Kanban cards to safety stock. You put the Kanban card in a pouch and tape the pouch to the safety stock. Lots of waste. Now with the new A5 option to print with Kanban cards, we're applying them directly to the beams under the product. So no more putting them in pouches, no more taping them, cutting all that waste out. So when you get to the point where you need to pull your safety stock, go ahead and pull it. Right down below is your Kanban card with a magnet, take it off, and you're good to go. Put it in your Kanban card return slot, and you even have the Kanban pull card right here, so you know what was in that slot. So Tom and Kanban Docs team, thank you again for the option to print bigger Kanban cards. You have cut out so much waste for us here at Tennessee Cheesecake.
Weekly cleaning. If I can do it, everyone can, right? So much nicer. All cleaned up, 10 minutes. Sweep the floor. Our new standard around here. Once a week. Got our schedule, people, who's doing it, when they're doing it, how to do it, most importantly. Amazing app if you don't have it.